Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to install into the application for your earbuds in your iPhone. To install it on your iPhone, you need to at first open the App Store. Here, open search. Search back again, and now you need to type Hubble. Connected for Verve Live app, and now search. As you can see here, we've got Hubble Connect for Verve Live. You need to here tap Get. Once you click Get, you'll need to authorize yourselves using the Face ID, Apple ID password, or the Touch ID depending on the device you use. Here, tap this button, and now in a few seconds you will have your application set up. Here, tap Open. Allow for everything that's prompted. Of course, you don't need to have the notifications, but the rest needs to be done. Here we need to either log in or sign up. I will tap login. Now we need to type email and password. You probably don't have the account, so you need to create one. How to do that? Here you need to tap sign up, and now you need to type username, email, password, confirm the password. Here, as you can see, we've got confirm. I confirm I'm over 18 years old. of age. So let me quickly log in. Here are my credentials. Let me tap login. Okay, I've got login error, so something is wrong. Okay. Now it should be working because I resetted it. Here we are now in the app. Let's tap add device. We need to choose a brand, which is Motorola wireless earbuds. Scroll down. Earbuds 250. Next. And now we are looking for our earbuds. Probably we'll have to make them unpaired. Okay, we can't. We don't have to. So let's tap continue. And here, not now. We are done. Goodbye and have a nice day.